Hey, what's up YouTube, it's me Jan Bomb and whoa. Hey there, what's up YouTube, it's me Jan Bomb and today I'm out here at the jungle and we're gonna be using this rod which I just bought recently. It's the Zagan Offshore shooter, which is used mainly for casting of pintails or tingiris and such, and paired with the Daiwa BG, can't remember what size this, I think, there we go, 4K. Yeah, there we go, Daiwa BG 4K. So yeah, the water looks pretty clear today. Hopefully we'll catch something. So yeah, stay tuned. Today, here we go. Quite a big one on the pintail. It's great. Dip in there. Put the pliers. Alright, time to let this big boy go. There we go.